yung point guard nila. Which I think stop namin. Again, we made our shots. Third quarter, nakuha na good. Like, tatlong 3 points. So, that's good for us.
Coach, what can you say about Carbo Lanete? Seems to be the go-to guy, developing into the go-to guy for the San Pedro
He is, from the very start. And he had just a mild sprain a week and a half ago. So, na lumalapit ang pahinga na. So, because the player came from big
Coach, last 2 games, laging third quarter kayo umaarangkada lang.
We have some difficulties adjusting to our opponent, especially the first half. Siyempre, we're leading in the standings, and teams just come up with surprises. First quarter, second quarter, before they get to adjust everything, takes a while. So, it's a thing we have to learn to adjust right away, make things happen for us.
Coach, do you ever get the feeling that your team is bored and just waiting for that matchup with San Sebastian?
He wasn't bored of winning. Never. I think they're all prepped up for the big game, and everybody's excited, including myself.
Kami din, Coach. Kami din.
We all
Coach, can you have that luxury against Sebastian the first half?
Of course not. Of course not. Champion team yung laban namin. Kaya huwag nila kakalimutan, champion team yung laban. So, it's gonna be a tough game. I'm very close, I think. It's very close. Sinong pumurap sa dulo siguro.
Ano yung advantage mo sa kanila?
I have size. Bench. Physically,
Internally. What do you think was lacking? What do you think was lacking last year when you lost?
Lacking? The depth, the bench.
And you addressed that this year.
Well, with all our recruits, we got size. We prefer size more than performance.
Yun lang.
Wala akong sabihin, Coach.
Coach, may mga minors dito. Sorry.
I got summer!
Thank you, Coach.
Yung performance, pwede ko improve yun.